Right people, we're down here at this shopping centre here in, look, Centre Festival it's called, in Chiang Mai, and hopefully I can get micro SD cards for the GoPro. I hope so. I'm looking here, big camera shop it's called, third floor, so they definitely should have it. Wow, another lovely shopping centre here. Gorgeous. Jeez, that guy's able to sing that song pretty good now. Right, up I go on the next floor. Look at this. Wow. Jeez, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Isn't it mad, right? Back home in Ireland, if I was walking through the shopping centres, the security guys would be straight over. Well, you can't film down there, you can't film. You know, happened to be below in Kildare Village, this snobby place down there in Kildare, you know. The signer's shit. I couldn't film, couldn't take pictures. A load of shit, my friends. Look at me here. In Thailand. Amazing shopping centre, I love it. It's actually a gorgeous shopping centre. It really is. Yeah, I feel grand now. I got 264, what's it? 64 megabyte of mini cards there. So it's cool. See, look at these Sony. These are cool as well. They're all mirrorless cameras, the Sonys, but you see, I'm not going to change it to any of that because I have the Canon, and you know, you have to, you know, so like, you know what I mean? What's the point in changing and you have all Canon gear? There's no point. What do you think of this shopping centre? Isn't it fantastic, isn't it? Wow. This is so cool. Isn't it gas too, from all, like, you know, in the Western world, well, I think the religion thing is declining, like, so all those big cathedrals, you know, they are empty now, and churches are empty, and I don't know about Bangkok, it's 94% Buddhist, right? But you see all them fantastic temples I was showing you there in Bangkok, right? But this is the modern day temple now, cathedrals in the world, the shopping centres. And people might say, oh, that's kind of, you know, idling materialism, which is probably true, but anyway, yeah, look at this. Isn't that lovely? Gorgeous. And there's a mirrorless, I think that's a mirrorless R10, right? Now I have the Canon 80D, which is not mirrorless, you know what I mean? This is the future of cameras, all mirrorless. Wow, this is really a gorgeous looking shopping centre. It really is. It's beautiful, beautiful. I keep repeating myself, I don't know why I do that, but I always do it. I say things twice for some reason. Here's a stand here with a cool name, look, Fresh Meat. Must be all kinds of juices and stuff. Right people, I'm going to try this massage chair. So it's only 20, you can put as much as you want in it. 5 minutes is 20 baht, I'm putting 20 into it, right? I'm getting a massage here on my back. Jeez, it's squashing my legs here as well. It's doing a massage on my legs, look. Amazing. Just the feeling on your back, holy shit. Oh. There's controls here, let me see, I haven't got a clue. Anyway. It's only for 5 minutes. Oh, this is well worth it. Jesus, it does your shoulders and everything. Wow. Oh, it's going down your spine. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's amazing. It's tickly there, down the small of your back, you know. Oh, it's great. 20 baht for 5 minutes. Has to be done, you know. Oh yeah, I think I'll go to Starbucks now and get a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, okay? Oh, let's go back on my back. Oh. I just can't stop laughing because it's kind of tickly. Right into your neck, it goes up into your neck as well. Your shoulder blades. Very, very good. Oh yeah. Ah, Jesus, that's mad. Mad stuff, my friends, mad stuff. You won't believe it if I told you that it massages your arse as well. The cheeks of your arse, I'm not joking. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Mad stuff. Look at this veg shop, my friends, look. They're just gorgeous. Right people, just going to tuck into this here. I think it's what I say was again, Central Festival Shopping Centre in Chiang Mai here. Beautiful shopping centre. And yeah, and listen, by the way, that airline, the Bangkok Airways, I think that's like a low-cost airline, right? I think that's a low-cost airline, right? And if it is a low-cost airline, it would put Ryanair to shame. Well, people would say that wouldn't be hard, right? It put Aer Lingus to shame, put British Airways to shame. That was only a little over an hour of a flight. I wasn't expecting anything, and we got a chicken curry, a bottle of water, and tea, right? And they didn't give you a plastic fork and spoon to eat your curry. They gave you like real cutlery on a flight of 1 hour. Fantastic, right? Probably the nicest looking air hostesses I ever seen in my life. Very, very well dressed. I should say well groomed, beautiful looking girls. Very eloquent and very, very efficient. Very efficient. I was getting palpitations, getting bad thoughts, my friends. Anyway, no, an excellent airline. I'll give them on that flight anyway a 10 out of 10. You want to see them girls going through that plane. I never seen anything like it in my life. Just like with precision. It was amazing. So yeah. Like getting my first tuk tuk in Thailand, back to the hotel. Super cool. Look at all the bikes. Amazing. These are super cool, and a lovely breeze when you're, you know, when he's moving along. Great. Woohoo! You can't beat the old wind in your hair, so you can't. This is deadly. Super cool, my friend, super cool. The only way to travel, tuk tuk. With the wind in your hair. Oh yeah. This is the life, my friends, this is the life. Although I'm going to be skint when I go back home. I really am.